Hi there, students. Multifarious. Great word, multifarious. An adjective. Multifariously, the adverb. And multifariousness, the noun talking about the quality. Okay, if we describe something as multifarious, it means is a very great diversity. There's a huge variety of it. There are many different kinds. You could also use multifarious, meaning made up of many different parts. So yeah, an engine, a car engine, has multifarious different pieces that all need to work together. Okay, so multifarious is a great word saying a really wide variety of things. The multifariousness of languages on our planet, I think, is a beautiful thing. The multifarious activities of children at school. Okay, so multifaceted, many-sided, miscellaneous, numerous, legion, diverse, manifold. Manifold's a good synonym as well. So, yeah, there are multifarious different peoples on our planet. This is a composite of multifarious different origins. Yeah, it comes from diverse places. Yeah, it's something that's very heterogeneous. Okay, so multifarious, of many different types. Okay, the multifarious activities of a government. Yeah, they are many. They are a huge number of them. Many and of various types, with many different parts and aspects. So that when you're speaking in English, there are multifarious different things that you need to get right all at the same time. So I guess this is just a posh word meaning many or lots of, yeah, multiple, something like that. The country is made up of multifarious different traditions and multifarious different ethnic groups. There are multifarious reasons for doing it like this. Nature is multifariously diverse. The multifariousness of nature is one of the things that makes it beautiful. Okay, so it's got many different elements, many different forms, many different things to it, many points. So yeah, the manifold manifestations of nature are multifarious. Yeah, that goes quite nicely. Okay, so in this life we need to make multifarious decisions. Yeah, many different decisions about many different things. Okay, it's multifarious. In my channel you will find multifarious different videos about different words and different topics. Okay, and this is the idea of multifarious. I think how posh is it? It sounds a little bit posh and a little bit formal, but I'm only going to give it a 6. And I think you could use it anywhere. Yeah, so multifarious, a posh word for many, lots of, various, diverse, heterogeneous. And then what about origin? Well, this comes from Latin, from the word multifarious, yeah, meaning multifarious. Well, certainly we've got the multi bit, yeah, and I think probably farious, probably from facere or facere, to make, so made of many different things, and that's what I would guess as to the origin. Okay, so yeah, there are multifarious different characteristics to his personality. Okay, so multifarious, I think a great word just to say lots of. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Multifarious.